guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I wanted to do a real quick video today on my 31 brand backpack. This is the Adventurers backpack and I love it. This print is my absolute favorite right now. It's the Stepping Stones print. I would not quote me, but I'm pretty sure that this backpack in this print is coming back into stock around August 1st, which is right around the corner. So if you are interested in this, definitely let me know in the comments because I can send you a link to check it out. But I wanted to share it because I love the backpack. Not only do I love the print, I love the functionality of it. I think it's really unique, and it's my second, I have two backpacks. So I have this one and I have my freshly picked backpack, which I also did a full review on, I don't know, a couple months ago. So I'll link that video down below. So I have been using this for work as my work bag. I use it obviously when I go out with my son. It's very lightweight. I just love it. So I wanted to do a review. This is everything that I had in it, and it was not even full. It's very large. I'm also going to show you at the end how it looks on the body. But first I wanted to run through some of the features. So first off, it has two options to carry. It has these grab handles that you can pick it up easily. And then obviously it has backpack straps. These are padded. They are adjustable. They are extremely comfortable. I have to say this bag, in comparison to my freshly picked backpack, is much more comfortable. This one is. Just the feel of it against your body here, the way the straps are, they're just it's just a much more comfortable option. And oftentimes I will throw it on my bag, on my back, even when I'm going into work. When I carry it to work, I've got my planner in there, I've got my lunch bag in there, I've got my wallet in there, and then a few of these items as well. These are mainly like Grady items except for my wallet, and I'll get to that in just a minute. So two carry options: top handle, adjustable backpack straps. It has two very large side pockets with an elastic band. And I love that there's one on each side. You can fit drinks, you can fit a lot of things, water bottle. I even have put like my coffee travel cup in there. I actually keep my keys on one side of it. I just love it. It's got this front pocket here, which is a pretty large pocket, and it's nice and lined and soft, and really nice zippers. I just really love how it's very cut and dry. But my favorite feature of it is the top. So when you open it, it has a metal or wire like sewn underneath here, and it keeps the bag open really wide. So when you're digging around in your backpack, you actually have an opening that stays open on its own, even when empty. So it doesn't need to have like a bunch of stuff in it for it to stand up straight. But when you're not using it, it zips all the way around, so it closes nice, and I'll show you that in just a second. So I wanted to show you first this bag empty so you could see all the pockets inside. So first off, it has a pocket with an elastic band on each side, kind of on the inside of where the bottle pockets are. So it's got one there and one on the other side. And then it has a pocket here and the seam in the middle, and another pocket here, also the elastic band. And then if you turn it around, this pocket here is actually thermal lined. So I have put bottled water, juice boxes, yogurt tubes or Go-Gurt sticks, fruit pouches, like the squeezy fruit pouches. And the nice thing is it has these two elastic, hopefully you can see that, bands that open up, and you can put your water or your water bottle in there, and they will stay standing up because that elastic band holds it in place. And this pocket, since it's thermal, just retains moisture well. I've even thrown an ice pack in here with things that I wanted to keep cold, like little containers of fruit. No problems at all. It is very roomy. So I want to show you now how it looks with all of this stuff in it really quickly, and then you'll be able to get a better idea of how large this is. Before I put it all in, let me run through really quickly everything that I'm going to put in here. So I'm going to put in this 31 thermal pouch. I showed you guys this in a recent pool bag video. This is pretty large. If you're familiar with Jujube, this is about the size of like a Be Quick, and it has a bunch of different summer essentials inside. So this is a pretty large pouch. I also have a Jujube large set piece. This has my son's swim shorts and rash guard top in here rolled up in this pouch. I've got this mini ruby pouch. It's like a pebbled, I think it's a faux leather pebbled, like a navy blue pouch. And in here I just have right now a bunch of coupons and some like random mommy things. This is my squeeze pod, which I shared also in my pool bag video. It's just like a snack bag, but it's a decent size. It obviously can be filled up a lot more. I've got my little Cool Zip snacker little bag, which I shared also in that pool video. I've got my keys here. I've got my wallet here, which is a large wallet. This is a 31 All About the Benjamins wallet, and I love this wallet. I'm thinking about maybe doing a full review on it because I am absolutely in love with it. It holds everything I need. I can even fit my phone in here with no issue. And then I always have some hand wipes and then a hand sanitizer. So let me go ahead and get everything in this bag and show you how much room it has. Okay, so I have everything the way I would pack it up, as if all of this stuff was going in there. My wipes and my hand sanitizer I just keep in this front pocket here. My keys I always tuck into one of the bottle pockets, and I actually tuck my keys all the way in so they obviously don't fall out. In this other bottle pocket, I usually have my cell phone, but it's charging right now, but it fits right in here. No problem. I have a Galaxy S10 with a case and a pop socket, and it fits in here. Not an issue at all. And then in the main compartment, I have everything I just showed you, and look how much room there is still, guys. So my wallet's kind of resting on top, and you just play a little Tetris, and you see what fits where, and there's a ton of room left. If you can see that, like there's all this height right here. I have nothing in this thermal pocket, which I could easily fit something in there. I just love it. I love the space, and this bag itself is so lightweight, the actual backpack. Let me zip it up and show you what it looks like completely zipped. So here's what it looks like zipped up. I really like the look of it. I like the shape of it, and I really love the way that it opens. That is really what sold me. I can get in, get exactly what I need. There's no, you know, rooting around for something. I can just see everything, and I love it. And again, it's been perfect for work. I can fit my full-size planner, my lunch bag when it's packed, my wallet, any kind of like little cosmetic or mommy kind of things, just woman kind of things that I need in here, any paperwork for work if I have binders or something. It's just been wonderful for me. So let me show you now how it looks on the body packed up. I'm going to leave all this stuff in it so you can see what it looks like with a decent amount of stuff in it on the body. All right, so here's what it looks like on the, like, for scale on the carry handle option. I'm about 5'3", and this is how it looks next to my body. And now I'm going to go ahead and put it on my back and show you guys what it looks like as well. So here's what it looks like, guys, on my actual back. Very comfortable right here. It doesn't like dig into my armpit. It just feels really good. The material feels really good. And again, you saw all the stuff I had in it. So if you're carrying a lot less, it's obviously not going to be as bulky. And I've traveled, you know, through the day with it with more stuff in it than I have now, with the same amount of stuff that I have now, and it just works really well. And I'm only about 5'3", so I'm on the shorter side. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video. I love this bag so much. It's so cute, and I'm definitely going to continue to use it as like an everyday kind of work bag. So yeah, if you're interested in it, since it's coming back into stock, I'm pretty sure there's a solid black one and possibly another print I heard about. It's like a rainbow looking print. Definitely just comment down below and let me know, and I can send you the link to shop my 31 page and just check out stuff if you want just more information. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.